What is up, guys? Today we're doing another video on the track out back. I just washed up my 110 here. Pretty clean, except it's so hard to get dirt out of all there without a pressure washer. I just didn't want to hook up a pressure washer. But we'll take the KLX out too. Maybe do some time trials around the track or something. I don't know. But the jumps are way bigger. That's a big jump right there. Good job. As you can tell, these jumps are like a lot bigger. Well, even from the last video that we did the changes on, we only switched a couple of those jumps over there, but now I added this lip, which is like a 2 foot higher, and then the landing's bigger, and then that one right over there, the landing's bigger, so you can actually air it out now. But we're just gonna keep ripping around. I hope you're liking the content. Don't forget to comment below and I don't know, tell us what kind of videos to make, because your brains are probably better than mine. You gotta find some sort of transfer over here. Like a really sketchy transfer, but can't really find one. I wanted to hit that up and over onto here, but it's kind of sketchy. We'll get back to you. Alrighty, he's gonna try to manual all the whoops. We'll see how he does. Alright, your turn to do it. Come on. Oh boy. You can do it. Oh! I've never really done this, but I'm gonna try to scrape my hand on the ground somehow. Pretty short, so short arms, that's kind of hard. But I guess I'll give it a go. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna go over backwards. I don't even know if I can. Yeah, it's so way back. I feel like I'm gonna flip it back over. I don't want to buy a new fender. Nope. I don't want to rip this baby off. Not right now. Not right now. It's too new to rip it off. But actually, I looped it over here one day. I don't know. You can't really see it, but the ground's all torn up. I was kind of cocky in first gear wheelie, just like all the way back. Then I clicked it into second and it just gave and went all the way back. But it didn't snap, so I guess Honda's gotten something right. But also my pitter was not idling. my pitter was not idling at all. There's actually this little set screw up here. There's a spring on it. It's made out of plastic, so it's cheap. But I hit a huge jump, I landed, and then I went idle right. It was like super high, then super low. Well, that little idle screw, I guess on EFI, I've never really seen one on EFI, but anyway, it was turned so the idle was down, and I didn't really know that. I couldn't find anything on the internet. But then finally I don't know, we were digging around and I was messing with it and I idled up. I'm like, thank God I found that, but that kind of pissed me off. Yeah, let us know what we should do next on the next video. Maybe we'll do some more road wheelies for this video, but that's pretty much going to be it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.